welcome to Glam Forever. I'm Aishi Gupta. As you know, we are going to do a 30-day series of different hair and makeup looks. So today is the day 4, and we are going to sexy, bold date night look. So if you want this look, so keep on watching. So first we are going to start with moisturizer. Moisturizer keep your skin hydrated and moisturizer for the makeup so your makeup doesn't look cakey and breakage. Now we are going to do a primer skin. For this I'm taking a Swiss Beauty Pearl primer. It's my all-time favorite and my best one. I love this primer. It creates a layer between my makeup and skin. Next we are going to put a foundation. For this I'm taking a Swiss Beauty high coverage foundation. For this we need a high coverage because we have to hide our dark circles and our patches, everything from our skin. Dotting with my fingertips and then blending with beauty blender until it gets smooth and even layer. For concealing my face, I'm taking the Fashion Factory concealer and conceal under my eyes and my hyperpigmentation area. Now taking the same beauty blender and blending it out. If you don't know how to use beauty blender, I already made a video on this. You can check on I button. Now it's time for setting our concealer and our foundation. For this I'm taking a Clamy's loose powder with powder brush and set very well. For brows, I'm taking a brown gel liner and a angled brush and fill in my brows. For taking my crease color and applying all over my crease with a flat brush. Now I'm taking a dark brown color and applying over my crease, as you can see that. I'm taking a fluffy brush and blending it out so well so it doesn't look different on my eyes and my eyeshadow. Now I'm taking this flat brush and same dark brown color for my lower lash line. Now I'm taking a black color and applying over my upper lash line so it just defines my eyeshadow and my eyes very well. I'm taking a light pink color and applying over my crease so it gives a depth on my eyes. I think this eyelashes will suit me. Eyelashes are game changer. Now it's done. You can see on your own. Applying mascara for it doesn't look a difference between my natural eyelashes and fake eyelashes. I'm taking the small flat brush to apply golden color on my inner corner. Now I'm taking a contour brush and doing a powder contouring because I already have contoured jawline and my contoured face. It's time for a blusher. You can take a little or too much. It's totally on you. I'm taking a little and also applying on my nose. I love to applying nose on my blusher. It just gives me a damn hot vibe. Applying powder highlight of Swiss Beauty bronzing palette on my nose, forehead, cheekbones and on my chin. I'm going for bronze lip color. You can also go for red lip color, whatever you want, whatever you need. Today I'm having a good hair day, so I'm just keeping my hairstyle just a little bit. I want to open my hair today. It looks super cute. Going for side partition and doing 2 regular braids, and that's it. Your hair looks so good and so complete and fun. What do you think about this look? Please let me know in the comment section below your thoughts, your ratings and whatever you want. I'm just waiting for your comments. And if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any of my videos, my makeup videos, my hair care videos, my skincare videos. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay glam. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye bye.